Hi everyone, my name is Tommy and today I want to show you how to set up a 5-inch monitor with a wireless RV backup camera. We're using the RV camera for the demonstration, but this works the same way if you have a bumper camera or a license plate camera. Any of our cameras that have RCA connections will work for you. First thing you want to do is you want to hook up the base to the monitor itself. So it's got these grooves here, and this is the regular dash mount. The suction cup works the same if you got that accessory. Just put it in the little groove here and then click it up. When you hear the click, you're there. Now you have the 3M tape. You can glue it to the dash or do anything, hang it upside down even. It just depends what you guys want to do. Next thing is let's set up the camera side. Okay, on the camera side, we have the camera here, and then we have the transmitter right here. One tip I can give you is make sure to connect the camera to the transmitter before you plug the transmitter into 12 volts. That will help you avoid any kind of shortage. Okay. The other thing is, and this goes for any of our backup camera systems, always bench test before you install it. This way you can verify that everything works for you and you get the basic principle of how the system works. But here's what we're going to do. So we're going to take the camera right here. Here we're going to have the transmitter. It's got the T, right? And this is also the letter. The frequency is the frequency A, right? We're going to take the barrel connector that's at the end here, and we're going to plug it into the female DC plug. Then we're going to take the male RCA that you have right here and plug that into the female RCA. Next up is we have the 12-volt pigtails that come here off the transmitter. Once you power this, that'll also power the camera for you. So I already have 12 volts set up here, so I'm going to use what I have to power it up. 1 second here. So we're going to plug this into here like this, and then we're going to plug this into here like this. Now you know it's working because the transmitter here is lit up and it's red. And another tip you could do is if you put your hand over the camera, the LEDs, the infrared lights will light up for you. Okay, so now we have the transmitter here. I'm going to put that aside here for a second. Now let's set up the monitor part. Now one important thing with the monitor that we always have to stress, the monitor and the transmitter both have to be powered independently. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. The way you do it up is here you connect the pigtail to here, and then you connect this thing to the monitor, right? We have that right here like this. Now you can see the monitor and the transmitter both have female power input. So what we do is we take the barrel connector that come with the system. You can see here the barrel connector, and then we connect them like this, right? You see here, I connected them both here, and then this part we're going to connect to 12 volts. So here's what we're going to do. I already have it pre-connected, but I want you to see. So I have both of those wires hooked up. We're going to connect the monitor to 12 volt like this, and then we're going to connect this here like that, right? Then I'm going to take those two things and connect them to a 12 volt power source, right? Here we go, it turned on right away, right? You got that here, you got the camera right there. Just mount the camera anywhere you want, point it backwards, and you're good to go. That's really all there is to it. Just remember that the monitor and the transmitter both need 12 volts, right? So you have these barrel connectors that come with it, right? And I put them all at the end of the cable here, and then I connected them. I took the two reds and the two blacks, connected the two reds and the reds and the black here, and then I connected it to 12 volts. That's the most important thing here. Sometimes people just power one of them, but you need both of them getting power. See, it's red, it's on, broadcast to the camera, and you're good to go. Thank you and have a great day.